Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn a small trick to solve specific kind of questions. So we've learned in our previous classes how to calculate the squares, and we've learned if we learn the first 20 it will be easier for us to solve some of the questions. So today we are talking about a very specific case. So if you see the heading, it's ones column digits. So we have the squares written, but just the last digits in the ones column are missing. So we need to find the correct answer for the squares written on the left. Okay. So now if we see quickly, just look at the questions. We might see, oh my god, these are such big numbers, it is going to take a lot of time to calculate the squares. So if we had to calculate the full square, yes, you're right, it is going to take some time, but we just need to complete the digits in the ones column and not the complete square. So there's a small trick to this. So let's take the first example. So suppose if we remember 19 square, we have 361. So we can directly write 361. In case we don't remember it, okay, we can always multiply, find out the answer and write it. But what is the trick is that, but this rule or trick applies for numbers with two or more digits. Okay. Okay. So what is the rule? So you have to square just the unit digit, like just the ones column digit of the number. So here we are looking for 19 square. Okay. So we'll just focus on the ones column. So if we do 9 square, that is 9 into 9, that is 81. Okay. So again, because we have space for just one thing, right? But we got two. So here again in the answer, we just have to look for the units digit. So basically, the square of the unit digit in that as well, if we look at the ones column, that will be the same digit as the ones column of the answer. Okay. So that is 1. So it is 361, and we know 19 square is 361. Also, if we want to just, verify, if we multiply 19 into 19, 9 nines are 81, and 9 ones are 9, 17, 9 in 1, 1, 16. So it comes out to be 361. Okay. So we've got the correct answer here. Okay. Let's try it on the next question. Okay, so 54 square, we have to find the ones column. So in 54 square, what is the ones column digit? 4. Okay, so we'll do 4 square, and that is 16. So what is the ones column? 6. So the answer will be 6 here as well in the answer. So whatever is the square of the number on the left side, the whole square's answers ones column digit will also be the same. So let's look at the next question. 42 square. So ones column is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So the ones column digit for the answer will also be 4 because there's just one digit here. Okay. Then 37 square, 7 into 7, 49. So answer will be 9. Okay. Then 75 square, 5 into 5, 25. So the answer will be 5 here. Then 18, 8 8s are 64. Okay. And the ones column is 4. Okay. So it will be 324. Okay. Now we always have to remember this rule applies with 2 or more digits. Actually, if it is single digits, we'll pretty much remember all the squares, right? So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, okay? But we can also see that like here it's just one digit, right? So whatever the square of this digit will actually be the answer, right? So this rule doesn't apply to it. Okay, we just square it, and that is the answer in terms of single digits. Only in terms of double digits or more than that, we will have a bigger number and we might have to identify the unit digit. But because in single digits it's just one digit, so the square of that will be the answer itself. Okay, so I hope you guys understood it. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.